So Jazz, the reason why we're on this walk now, we were gonna walk to the church. Come on, Jesse, let's go. The church over there? Take a walk to that church over there. There's a church over there. Why? I just want to see what's going on at the church. I want to see if it's open. It's good to go to church and just go in and pray and have a little moment with God. That's why I love when churches are open all the time. Churches should be open 7 days, right? From Sunday to Saturday. So anytime you want to go in the church and pray, you should be able to go in the church and pray anytime you want. What do you think about that? Yeah, right? Yeah? Jesse, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, no cars are coming. Cross the street. Cross the street. Come on, Jazz. Cross the street. Cross quick. Cross quick. A car's coming. Come on. To the white church. Let's go to the white church. Come on, Jazz. Let's go see if it's open. It is a church. Yeah, it's a church. Let's go see if it's open.
I hope it's spotless.
Yeah.
Wait, me and Mommy went to this church before.
No way.
Yes.
You guys did?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Is it locked, Jesse?
Yeah.
Let's try the door. See if it's open.
You try it first.
All right, let Jesse try. It looks like it's open. Push. Oh, no, it's not open. It's not open. Can we still pray?
Yeah.
Let's pray then. Let's pray. Go ahead, Jesse, pray. Jesse, pray. Jesse, kneel down. Kneel down, Jesse. Kneel down. And let's pray.
Jesse, Jesus, Matthew, Mouth, Local Paul, and Yellow, PC Mouth,
Simplicity.
Suffer City,
Suffer me
Suffer Me,
to come to thee.
Abba.
Abba. What did you say?
I just love church.
Yeah. I do. You love church, Jesse? Yeah. This is the church. Yeah. Say, I love church.
I have to
You love to Oh, man. Hey, Jazz. No, leave it. Leave it alone.
Okay.
What do you think about starting our own church?
That would feel great.
What do you think about starting our own church?
That would feel great.
Okay. Jesse, what do you think about starting our own church? Huh? Jesse?
Huh?
What do you think about starting our own church?
Can you know?
Okay.
How much I love you?
No, don't climb up there.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye, church.
Bye. Bye.
All right. Say, we'll be back.
We'll be back. We'll be right soon.
Hold on. You said you love the colors of the fire?
Yeah.
What colors do you see?
I can see a little bit yellow, orange, and I can see a little bit red too.
Okay, beautiful. So here's the thing about fires, right?
Yeah.
You only do fires with the appearance and just the same way you're standing back from the fire. That's how we do it. Right, Fresh?
Yeah.
So this is a beautiful blaze.
Mommy. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mommy, that's not coming. See the smoke.
Yeah?
Mommy can't put it in the fire.
It really is. It really is. It really is. Jesse, Finesse, Jaazy Fresh. Jesse, stay right there. Remember, we stay away from the fire. We stay back from the fire. Right, Jazz? Good, Jesse. Jesse Finesse, look at me. Hey, Jesse, remember, we stay away from the fire. Jazz, what do we do?
Stay away from from the fire.
Okay, beautiful.
And
Jesse, what do we do?
And
Jesse,
we do this.
stay right there. No, step back, step back. You guys are stepping too close. Step back. Jesse and Jaazy Fresh Show. All right. It's a beautiful fire, right?
Yeah. I just love